Introducing the Baja Bandit mobility scooter from Baja Mobility. Your Baja Bandit will come in 2 cardboard containers, one large and one small. The containers will be resting on a wooden pallet. Use a band cutter to cut the 4 straps securing the bigger container. Use a box cutter knife to cut the tape to be able to open the container. It will contain the unit, 1 large box, 2 medium-sized boxes, and 2 smaller boxes. Use the box cutter knife to cut the tape on the large box to be able to open it. There will be another box inside. Use the box cutter knife again to open it and remove the battery pack. Then remove the rest of the boxes from the large container along with the base of the unit. Take the box cutter knife to open the smaller container. This is where the seat and other materials are stored. You should then have all the components you see here, including the owner's manual. In the owner's manual, you will find an alternative seat suspension spring for consumers above 200 pounds and a small packet of extra grease for the suspension. Locate the XLR port. Connect the XLR cable, which is part of the battery charger. Be sure to switch on the unit, then plug the charger into a 3-prong wall outlet. You will see a light on the charger that indicates the battery is charging. The steering tiller will be folding down toward the seat post. Hold this lever to adjust the tiller and put it in its upright position. Take the battery pack, which contains 1 or 2 lithium-ion batteries, and secure it in place. Locate the switch on the top of the battery box, switch to the on position. This will wake up the battery to power the unit on. The switch also serves as a power cutoff switch to the unit. Remove the tag on the right side of the steering wheel to reveal the ignition. Place the key in the ignition and turn on the scooter. Your light display should appear. Remove the tag from the seat post. This seat post contains full suspension. The red-orange coil seen here is located in the seat post. Take the chair and make sure to attach it to the seat post straight on. Next, insert the lower armrest into the receiver bar under the seat. Remove the linchpin to insert one holder and replace the linchpin at your desired length. Then tighten the fastener to keep the holder secure. Insert the armrest at the top of the holder and secure it using a 4mm Allen wrench. Repeat this process on both sides. Place and secure the basket on the bracket located on the front of the tiller. The Baja Bandit can be set to economy mode to reduce its potential maximum speed. If set to the checkered flag, the unit will operate at full speed. The light switch is on the right side of the control panel as well. You can turn on hazard lights along with headlights and brake lights for maximum visibility. The tortoise and the hare speed knob adjusts how fast your scooter will go at full throttle. Hare is faster, tortoise is slower. There are 3 white circular buttons at the base of the console. The center button is the horn, while the left and right buttons indicate your turn signals. The throttle is on the right side of the control panel. Pull it back to drive the unit forward and push up on it to put the unit in reverse. The throttle and brake can be switched to the opposite side depending on your preference. There are removable caps on either side of the top of the steering wheel. Optional mirrors or tiller mount accessories can be screwed in at these locations. Press forward on the lever at the base of the tiller to adjust the tiller to your desired angle. Use the lever under the left side of the seat to adjust the seat slider to your desired depth. The lever under the right side of the chair allows you to swivel the seat, and you can see the effectiveness of the full suspension seat post. You can find a USB port on the tiller facing the driver under the 3 white buttons. There are bumper guards both in the front and rear of the unit with 9-inch solid tires. On the rear of the scooter, if this yellow lever is in the higher position, the unit will be in freewheel mode. If the lever is in the lower position, the unit will be in drive mode. The Baja Bandit was built with feather touch disassembly in mind. Fold down the seat back and lift straight up on the seat to remove it from the seat post. Then, using the handles, lift up the battery pack and remove it from the unit. Remove the front basket from the metal bracket and lock the tiller into place using the knob with the exclamation point. Use the lever to angle the tiller all the way down until it's touching the base. Grab this handle behind the seat post and lift up. The front of the base will separate from the back. To reattach, note the green indicators for where the front and back of the base should be lined up. Hook the green lines on the front end over the green lines on the back and lock the unit into place. Then use the lever on the tiller to bring it back to your desired angle. Turn the front knob back to its original position and replace the front basket on the metal bracket. Lock in the battery pack, insert the seat straight into the seat post, and fold back the seat back. We invite you to unleash your zoom with the Baja Bandit. Boasting a top speed of 8 miles per hour and 4.5 inches of ground clearance, this mobility scooter is built for all your outdoor adventures.